Hi, I'm Leaf Clover. This is my old look. Hi, I'm Rainbow. This is my old look. Hi, I'm Pink. This is my old look. Hi, I'm Sir. This is my old look, but I still look kinda the same now. And I'm 17. This is my old look. For the contestants. In 4 years this will end. This is my new. Alright guys, your first challenge is to get on that monkey bridge. I forgot what it's called. I just want the intro. Okay. Woo! 4-leaf clover. Woo! Rainbow. Woo! Pansy. Woo! Green syrup. And 17. I'm the host. Dun, 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 dun. Battle for lucky things. 17 is the whole for contestant. It's so hard to get up here. Yeah, it is. Without no arms. I may get up here, but I still have a little chance of winning. Yay! I'm winning. Well, time to vote. Vote and post. Who do you want to eliminate? Voting against March 1st, 2027. And next episode is March 17th, 2027. See you for a long